If you're struggling with the issue of GIFs not working on iPhone, don't worry. This video will systematically analyze the common reasons for GIFs not working on an iPhone and provide several practical solutions. Part 1. Why are my GIFs not working on iPhone? GIFs may not work on your iPhone due to several reasons. 1. Low power mode reduces animation effects, preventing GIFs from playing. 2. Reduce motion limits animations and accessibility settings. 3. Unstable network. Weak Wi-Fi or cellular data can cause GIFs to fail to load. 4. App issues. Corrupted caches in apps like Messages or WhatsApp can affect GIF playback. 5. iOS bugs or outdated version. Older iOS versions or system bugs may cause display issues. Part 2. How to fix GIFs not working on iPhone. After you know the reasons, you can try the following 8 effective ways to fix GIFs not working on iPhone. Fix 1. Check network connection. If GIFs aren't working on iPhone iMessage, it may be a network issue. Try these fixes. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or connect to a different network. Restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it. Turn cellular data on in Settings Cellular. Enable and disable airplane mode. Reset network settings in Settings General. Reset network settings. Fix 2. Disable Reduce Motion feature. Step 1. Go to Settings Accessibility, tap Motion. Step 2. Turn off the Reduce Motion toggle. Fix 3. Enable Hashtag Images feature. Step 1. Open the Messages app and enter any conversation. Step 2. Tap the plus or app icon next to the text input field. Step 3. Look for Images. If you don't see it, scroll to the bottom and tap More, then manually enable Images. Fix 4. Restart the Messages app. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause or double-click the home button. Step 2. Find the Messages app. Step 3. Swipe it up to completely close it. Step 4. Reopen the Messages app and test the GIF feature. Fix 5. Free up iPhone storage space. Step 1. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage. Step 2. Check the available storage space. Step 3. Delete unnecessary apps, photos, or videos. If GIFs are not working on iPhone Safari, you can directly clear the Safari cache. Step 1. Open Settings and scroll down to Safari. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Step 3. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Fix 6. Reset iPhone's language and region. Step 1. Open the Settings app and go to General. Step 2. Tap on Language and Region, then select Region. Step 3. Search for and select the desired region from the list. Fix 7. Update iOS to the latest version. Step 1. Go to Settings General Software Update. Step 2. Your iPhone will start checking for updates. Step 3. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Fix 8. Restore iPhone to factory settings. Note that this will erase all your data, so make sure to back up your device beforehand. Step 1. Open Settings and tap on General. Step 2. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase all content and settings. This will restore your phone to its original factory state. Part 3. The ultimate way to fix GIFs not working on iPhone. Using a professional iOS repair tool like iOS System Recovery is an efficient way to fix issues like GIF playback failures, messaging errors, and system freezes, without adjusting system settings or risking data loss. Step 1. Install and launch the tool on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB, then select More Tools iOS System Recovery to continue. Step 2. The program will begin detecting the issue with your iPhone and display it on the screen. Once detected, click the Start button to proceed. Step 3. Verify the device information displayed on the interface. If needed, select the correct details from the drop-down lists. Then, click the Repair button to immediately fix the issue.